A robotics service business, commonly known as robotics as a service, RAAS, is a business model where companies lease robotic technology and cloud-based services for a subscription fee, rather than buying the hardware outright. This allows businesses to automate tasks in areas like warehousing, manufacturing, and logistics without large upfront investments, benefiting from flexible scaling, maintenance coverage, and access to the latest robotic technology. In this video, we are going to talk about robotics service business. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. Robotics service businesses are becoming one of the fastest growing opportunities in today's world of technology and automation. As industries evolve and organizations seek to cut costs, increase efficiency, and improve accuracy, robotics is no longer a futuristic concept. It is part of everyday operations. From manufacturing plants and warehouses to healthcare facilities, agriculture, and even retail, robots are increasingly being used to perform tasks that were once handled only by humans. But behind this rapid adoption lies a growing need for specialized businesses that provide robotic services. Companies that install, maintain, program, and optimize these robotic systems so organizations can harness their full potential. A robotic service business, therefore, sits at the intersection of technology and problem solving, providing essential expertise to keep automation running smoothly. Starting a robotic service business requires a clear vision of the industries one plans to serve. Manufacturing remains one of the largest adopters of robotics, with factories using robots for assembly, welding, packaging, and quality control. But the service sector is rapidly expanding into other fields. In healthcare, for instance, surgical robots, rehabilitation devices, and automated pharmacy systems require ongoing maintenance. In agriculture, robotic systems are used for planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops. And these too need technical support. Even the logistics and e-commerce industries depend heavily on robotic arms, drones, and automated guided vehicles to keep warehouses running efficiently. A successful robotics service business often begins by specializing in one sector before expanding into others as expertise and reputation grow. One of the most attractive aspects of a robotics service business is the variety of revenue streams it can create. Service contracts for preventive maintenance are one major source of income, as clients are willing to pay a steady fee to ensure that their robotic systems remain in good working condition. Emergency repair services also play a crucial role, as downtime can be extremely costly for companies relying on automation. Beyond this, many robotic service businesses also offer programming and software updates, helping clients optimize how robots perform tasks. Training services are another area of growth, as companies often need their staff educated on how to work alongside robots safely and effectively. The combination of hardware support, software expertise, and training makes this type of business a diverse and resilient venture. Of course, running a robotics service business is not without its challenges. The technology is constantly evolving, and staying ahead requires continuous learning and adaptation. A company that is skilled in maintaining today's robots must be prepared to work with more advanced models tomorrow. This means investing in staff training, certifications, and partnerships with robotics manufacturers. Another challenge lies in building trust with clients. Businesses that rely on robotics cannot afford extended downtime, so they need service providers who are reliable, responsive, and highly competent. Meeting these expectations requires not only technical skill, but also excellent customer service and relationship management. The success of a robotic service business also depends heavily on the team behind it. Skilled technicians, engineers, and programmers form the backbone of such a company. Recruiting and retaining talent can be difficult, as the demand for robotics professionals is high, but building a strong team ensures that clients receive top-tier service. In addition, a good robotics service company must have a clear operational structure, processes for responding to service calls, systems for tracking parts and inventory, and tools for monitoring client satisfaction. Professionalism and efficiency are just as important as technical expertise, as clients want a seamless experience from start to finish. In terms of marketing, a robotics service business often grows through reputation and referrals. Companies that receive excellent service are quick to recommend providers to others in their industry. Building case studies, showcasing success stories, and highlighting return on investment for clients can also attract new business. As robotics adoption grows, educational content such as webinars, demonstrations, or white papers can help position a company as an authority in the field. Being visible at industry events and forming partnerships with robotics manufacturers can further boost credibility and open new doors. Unlike businesses that rely heavily on consumer advertising, robotics service companies thrive by networking within industries and building long-term trust. An important consideration for robotics service businesses is scalability. At first, a small company may serve a limited number of clients in one geographic area. But as demand increases, scaling requires strategic investment. This could mean expanding the team, opening branches in different regions, or forming alliances with other service providers. Cloud-based tools and remote monitoring technologies also allow robotics service companies to expand without being physically present in every location. With the right systems in place, a robotics service business can grow from a local provider into a national or even international operation. The financial potential of a robotics service business is significant. Companies are willing to pay a premium for services that keep their multi-million-dollar robotic investments running without interruption. Long-term service contracts provide recurring revenue, creating stability for the business. Over time, some service providers even evolve into full-scale robotics solution companies, not only maintaining but also designing and implementing automation systems. This evolution transforms them into key players in the robotics ecosystem, competing with larger firms and offering comprehensive solutions for industries across the board. Beyond the financial opportunity, running a robotics service business can be deeply rewarding. It allows entrepreneurs and technicians to be part of a technological revolution that is reshaping the world. By helping organizations adopt and maintain robotics, these businesses contribute to safer workplaces, more efficient supply chains, and even breakthroughs in areas like healthcare and agriculture. The impact of robotics goes beyond profits. It touches lives, improves productivity, and pushes the boundaries of what is possible. Knowing that one's business plays a role in this transformation can be a powerful motivator. Looking ahead, the future of robotic service businesses is incredibly promising. As artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into robotics, service providers will need to expand their expertise to include not just mechanical maintenance but also software, data analysis, and machine learning. Robots will become more autonomous, but they will still require human oversight, fine-tuning, and updates. Additionally, the growth of collaborative robots, machines designed to work alongside humans, will create new service demands related to safety, programming, and customization. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.